This is a dinosaur fossil kit, and oh my gosh, this is my grandson tearing into this thing, and he was beyond excited. He could not believe it. He was so excited, and he was so meticulous, like he was doing a real dig and just having so much fun. And he even had patience, like each egg, he was like, it was like this discovery, like he'd really actually discovered something. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it, and even more, my grandson really appreciates it. This is such a fun exploration for kids. Kids love to explore, and to be able to find something inside of something, it's just like, it's like almost that much more exciting for them to have it. Like if I just gave him a little dinosaur, okay, cute, but for him to like use the little brushes and actually be excavating and getting in there is just so much fun, and it's so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this for exploring for children, and I just love to see their minds open up. So again, thank you so much.